Hello everyone, I am Professor Sachin Ratnakar Kokne, Assistant Professor in ENTC Department of AI SSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will be seeing one problem based on PCM system, that is pulse code modulation. So let us see problem based on PCM system. So in this problem, it is mentioned that a TV signal with bandwidth of 4.2 MHz is transmitted using binary PCM. The number of quantization levels is 512. Calculate code word length, transmission bandwidth, and final bit rate. Okay, so in this given problem, the message signal bandwidth is given, that is 4.2 MHz. So the notation for message signal frequency is what? FM. So FM equal to what? 4.2 megahertz, and number of quantization levels are also given, that is 512. So Q equal to what? 512. So the question is calculate code word length. Okay, so for code word length we are using notation N. As we know, the relation between number of quantization level and number of bits per word, the relation is what? Q equal to 2 raised to n. Okay, so in this the given value is what? Q. From this Q we have to find out value of n. Okay, so if I take log on both sides, so the equation will become log Q equal to this n will come forward. Okay, so the equation will become n into log 2. Okay, so since I have to find out value of n, so n equal to log q divided by log 2. Okay, so the value of q is given, that is what? 512. So log of 512 divided by log 2. If I solve this, I will get answer as 9. Okay, so the value of n is equal to what? 9. And n is what? Number of bits per word. Okay, now the next sub question is what? To find out transmission bandwidth. For transmission bandwidth, formula is transmission bandwidth equal to 1 by 2 n into fs, where fs is what? Sampling frequency. As per the Nyquist criteria, we know sampling frequency is twice of fm, right? So let us modify this equation. So 1 by 2, n value is just now we have calculated, that is 9. So let us put 9 value into, and fs equal to what? Twice of fm as per the Nyquist criteria. So this 2 will get cancelled. Equation will become 9 into fm equal to 9 into fm is already given in question, right? So fm is what? 4.2 megahertz. So this will become 9 into 4.2 megahertz. So that answer will become transmission bandwidth equal to 37.8 megahertz. Okay, and the next sub question is to find out final bit rate. So the formula for bit rate in PCM is what? R equal to n into fs. Okay, so just we discussed fs is equal to what? Fs equal to twice of fm. So the equation will become n into twice of fm. N value is 9, 2, and fm is what? 4.2 megahertz. If we solve this, we will get bit rate equal to 75.6, and unit will be Mbps, because this is what bit rate. Bit rate is what? Number of bits transmitted in 1 second. That is what bit rate. So that's why unit will be Mbps, megabits per second. Thank you.